Welcome to TechFest Java. In this video, we are going to discuss about mediator design pattern. In this video, we will discuss about what is basically a mediator design pattern and what is the use of mediator design pattern and what all in JDK where we have been used a mediator design pattern basically. So let's just discuss. Mediator design pattern is basically used to reduce the communication complexities between the multiple objects or classes. As the name suggests of this pattern, this mediator is basically who can mediate the communication between two parties or many parties. So here the parties means multiple objects or either multiple classes. So mediator is basically providing an environment or providing a one layer by which a multiple objects or a classes can communicate to each other. So that is basically a mediator design pattern. And this pattern basically provides a mediator class that is which normally handle all the communications between the different classes, and basically it's easy to support maintenance of the code. Why? Because it provides a loose coupling between two or many different classes. So all the classes are simply knowing about the mediator only, and mediator will decide how to communicate with each other. This pattern is basically comes under behavior type of design pattern. Why? It is because the mediator pattern provides the behavior of an object, how the object behaves. So if we take an example in basically Java JDK, so JMS is the best example. JMS is basically based on a mediator design pattern along with the observer pattern. So in this video we are discussing about mediator pattern, and in next videos we will discuss about the observer pattern also. So Java messaging service basically having a sender and receiver, where one topic class is basically having that kind of mediator behavior where sender and receiver both are registered. So here if we take an example of JMS, so the topic classes or a topic instance is basically implemented on the basis of mediator pattern. And if we take another example, then there is a java.util.timer class which have a basically schedule method, and in Java concurrency basically we have an execute method, executor class execute method, which is also basically based on mediator pattern. It will decide which threads will execute which tasks. So that way, and the mediator design pattern being implemented in JDK. And for taking an example of mediator design pattern, we will jump into implementation part, and let's see how we can implement the mediator pattern in our application. Okay, so for implementation part of mediator design pattern, I have created a one simple Java project where I have created one package and created one main class. For implementation, I am taking an example of chat section, where so for that I am creating one class called chat operation, and in this class I am just creating one message method that is basically used to display the message. Here basically we are taking two parameters. One parameter is used for message. And another parameter, for another parameter I'm going to create one more class that is basically called as user class. And this user class having one field called as username. And now creating a getter and setter for this username class, username field. And there is a creating one constructor also. So this one is the constructor. And one more method we will define over here, which is basically used for sending message. So firstly I'll here we define user, and for that user I'm going to create user, creating a message like user named user username, sending message. And here what I'll do, in this send method, I'll call this display and pass here as this and whatever the message is. And now from the main class what I'll do, creating some users, user 1, new user with the name like Ram, and creating one more user called as user 2 and giving a name like Michael. And then what I'll do, user 1 dot sending a message, I am using mediator pattern. And user 2 also send a message, hello, I am also learning mediator pattern. Okay, now run this code. Okay, so as we can see that this will printing the message, whatever the message we have put it in displayed section. so it will call the disconnector. So here basically the chat operation is working as a mediator, and which is basically passing the message to the system. So that is the mediator design pattern, and it is also a very important behavioral type of design pattern. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please comment out and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.